Hey everyone, and welcome back to ArtsCore. In this video, we will be doing another only pencil tutorial. I haven't done these for a long time, but here is another one and I hope you guys like it. Also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. The materials you will need for this tutorial is a gel pen, a HB pencil, a 6 HB pencil, and an eraser stick. You will also need something to blend with, such as a brush, a paper stump, or a Q-tip. I'll be using a brush throughout this video. The last thing you will need is a coin or something circular. Start by using an HB pencil and trace around the circular object. Then draw a smaller circle near the bottom left side. Then take the 6 HB pencil and start darkly coloring in from the top left side. The goal here is to make a gradient from dark to light as you move towards the bottom right side. Once you come very close to the bottom right side, leave that area blank as we will be blending it out. Then trace around the border of the bottom right side and also shade in on that area to make a shadow. Make small shapes for the highlights and leave them blank. Now take any one of the 3 blending materials and start blending in inside the circle. Remember to keep the area on the bottom right corner fairly light. Also, blend out the shadow so it looks something like this. At this point, use the 6 HB pencil again and redo the steps you did in the first one. Color it in darkly on the top left corner and also darken out the shadow. Once that is done, blend it out again. Now use the pencil and define the border of the circle if you haven't already. Then take an eraser and lighten up the areas around the circle and around the shadow as well. Also erase the bottom right area inside the circle. As you move towards the center of the circle, use circular motions so it is easier to blend. Then go ahead and blend it out so there isn't a crisp line between the light and dark values. Now use the gel pen to add highlights. I also have written the details to the gel pen in the description box below. Now follow the same steps for the smaller circle. And here is the final results. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also check out my other videos for more color pencil tutorials and simple pencil tutorials. Thank you for watching.